Hey, what are you doing? Jimmy Void, sit down talking truth. I am at my favorite place. Three River Blades. John's right here. We're in the office right now. I went into the shop this morning and John was on the grind. He's working like crazy, and it's not a surprise to me when he's working like nonstop. He's dremeling things and fixing knives. He's like, check this Void out. He hands me a Void, one of the Void knives. Of course I got my Void. It's my EDC, right? And I go, wow, this handle's nice. I said, is this a thicker steel? What is this? Yeah. He's like, no, I changed the handle. What'd you put on it? Tell me.
Oh, so a liner. I put a liner on for you. So
there's a little.
So it's like a liner. Yeah, it's sandwiched. It's sandwiched between the micarta and the steel. So
you can't believe this. So now we come into the office. What does he got for me? He's got a display of Voids right here that I cannot believe it. Okay, I actually am going to take the. No, I'm not going to take the phone out because I forgot my tripod. Listen, you're not going to believe this. These are Voids, right? I'm gonna show them all right now.
These are all Jimmy's, by the way.
Okay.
So let's try to get in that camera too.
Yeah, there we go, right there.
So that's the gray option, right?
All right.
I like to call the ice.
Tell me about. Whoa. Tell me about. I gotta be careful with that. Here's the V right there. All right. Tell me about the. This is not micarta. This is different, right?
It is micarta, but it's canvas micarta. So this is a little bit more rough textured.
Right.
So what I did here is it's just canvas micarta, and if you see like these tiny little tubes right here.
Yeah.
So these tubes are not 1/4 of an inch. They're like 3/16 or even 5/32. They're smaller tubes. But what it does is it just gives it a little bit more pop. You can put a string through there, but I wouldn't, because it's just really, what you really just wanted to do is just look kind of.
Speaking of the string,
yeah,
see what's coming up next.
So if you guys don't know, so Jimmy and I started this project not too long ago, and one of the deals we came up with was, listen, you put up the money, I'll make sure that all the knives get stuck, get made, get sharpened, whatever you need. And for that, Jimmy purchased 4 right off the bat. All right, so for his own knife, he purchased 4 right off the bat. So, and because Jimmy's very generous, he's like, listen, get everybody else's order out,
right, and
worry about mine last. And I was like, that's great, but it's been what, 6 months, 7 months, or whatever.
Yeah.
And he doesn't mind. He doesn't mind. He's that kind of guy. But I just wanted to make sure that we got you taken care of, and I spent the last day and a half building his 4 Voids, all in different colors.
You took off the other day too.
Yeah, I took off. Don't tell the boss. It's on YouTube. Don't tell the boss. So I had to take. I took a convalescent day. I was sick. That's right.
Okay.
And that actually helped me build all of these for you to get them out, because he's been very generous, and I want to make sure that he was good to go. I made them all in different colors, different styles. I used all my different techniques just to get it done.
Right now.
So this is the first one. I like to call it ice, because it's a subdued gray, and it has canvas micarta, which is different. So it's like burlap, and it has a really grippy surface.
Never saw that before. I can't believe there was an option that I've never seen.
And then I paired it up with obviously a gray Kydex sheath, with the ball and chain, which is the
neck carry. That's
neck
the
carry.
Void.
This is the Void neck carry. Neck carry is a neck knife, right?
Yeah, that's how it was designed.
So that's one. Now,
This is my favorite. Okay. All right, here we go. Look at this. Zombie green with black Cerakote.
Yeah, Cerakote. Right? Yeah, that's your thing. That's your jam, bro.
Let me get that. Okay, make a mark right there.
Yeah.
Okay, right there. And we got the V for the Void. All right. And the sheath is zombie green.
Zombie green.
Okay, check that out.
So,
and let's show off. Let's show off the best. Okay, I got a little
You got a lanyard or
Little lanyard
yeah,
right there.
or a fob. Sometimes they
great.
call it a fob.
Right there. This is
So
beautiful.
this was to complement the Reba.
Reba.
So the Reba, if you don't know, is in zombie green because he wanted black and zombie green. Probably one of the only customers at Light wanted one, so I was like, all right, good, it's yours. So what I did here is I made the same thing. So this is the exact same color coordinate, same color, same everything. So if you put this right next to the Reba, it's gonna match. On this one, I put a little bit of a tube. And what's good about this is you can actually fit your fingers in there and then use it like this.
Look at that.
So now you won't drop your knife.
Man, you've been doing this. You've been in the game for so long. You know all the little techniques.
So these are all the little techniques. So you can put maybe 2 or 3 fingers in here depending on how big your fingers are. And if you're using the knife, you can adjust it. That's why I just tied it up.
Shaka's always talking about them. Shaka. He's always talking about the boys. He's like, my hands are too big. He's
Yeah.
like, I need a bigger knife than that.
So this is G10.
Yeah.
So really nice, smooth. And then of course you got to pair it up with this thing almost glows in the dark. It's so bright. This is
That's
super
why I love
bright.
the zombie green.
So
and,
zombie green.
and I'm gonna give a mention right now for Uncle Smiles.
Yep.
Okay. He keeps talking about a void. He keeps talking about we were talking about the Huntsman the other day,
Mm-hmm.
Last Ditch, and he's gonna make a decision. When he sees these voids, he's gonna want. That's what I want. I want to give them out as gifts. Okay.
Right.
And I don't think I'm gonna. I think I'm keeping them all.
We're gonna make more. Don't worry about it. We'll make more.
And this is matching Uncle Richie's. Right?
Yeah, there's
This
the
is-
orange. The
Okay.
orange.
We got the V right there, right? And now this is orange micarta with an orange sheet, but it has like striations of kind of like black in there too,
So
right?
yeah, this is another G10, but it's layered.
Okay,
So this is kind of what they call like a tiger stripe. So it's orange and black.
that's exactly what it looks like.
Yeah, it does, right? Like a Bengal
Great.
tiger,
So
right?
great.
So a little bit of orange and black in there, and really comfortable. I mean, satin finish. Really
That's
nice
classy.
orange. This is
That's
so
classy
classic.
finish,
And then the sheets, obviously orange to make it just pop.
Okay.
So.
I'm so excited.
And that's it. And then again, like all these sheets, if you notice all these sheets with the 3 holes, the 3 holes will fit a large tech lock. So
Right.
you don't have to wear it around your neck if
Yeah,
you don't
so
want
it's
to.
adaptable.
Yeah, it's adaptable.
For a belt,
belt.
carry.
Yeah, it's a belt carry.
But of course, Jimmy Boy doesn't wear belts.
Yeah,
All right.
of course. So that's
Jimmy
the.
Boy sits down
this-
talking truth.
there you go.
And last but not least, of course, this is the one that we were looking at that you were making when I got here. Okay, and this is the one that has the
Liner.
liner in the handle, which I thought is unbelievable. And I didn't even really. And the Wingman at my house, you actually have a blue liner
Blue
in mine,
liner.
but I did not even realize that was a different option
Right.
to put a little character into the handle.
Yeah,
too.
it's an accent. That's all it is.
Yeah,
so
it's great.
So what Jimmy's talking about is if you can see the liner inside here. So it's a white liner. There's a white liner that's sandwiched in between on both sides. And what that does is it just gives it a little bit of an accent. Like, so your regular void wouldn't come with this, all right? So it's just something that I do sometimes. It's a little bit more work, but I think it looks nice.
You could tell the
Yeah,
difference too.
you definitely tell the
Yeah,
difference.
Look at that.
Definitely tell the
Wow.
difference. So, and it does give it a little bit more girthiness around the handle.
And you know what? When I show that one off, like I got small hands,
Right.
so my voice perfect.
Fits perfect.
Something like that. Somebody with bigger hands, that
Yeah,
might
they like
actually
that.
work out really good. Case in point, Don Brookley.
Yeah.
Okay, he's got big gorilla hands.
Right.
So he might like a void that has a little liner in
Yeah,
it.
we could
too.
do that.
Yeah,
we could
sure,
do it. And
why
you could
not?
do it in any
Why
color
not?
you want too. So like,
Yeah.
somebody has
Maybe,
like,
maybe I'll gift him one of mine. We'll see.
but yeah, that's it, man. So it came out really nice. And it was funny too, because I was working on this as Jimmy came in and he's like asking me all these questions and I'm giving him like fugazi answers. I wasn't even, it wasn't even good answers. I was like, yeah, no, I'm using it for something else, like, and I'm just, because I had all the other ones set up ready to go, except for this one. And then you said you were coming over early, and I'm like, oh shit! So now I had to hurry up.
You know why? Because I gotta take my daughter driving.
You gotta do
That's our weekend thing, to go driving. And I bought a new coffee pot. I can't wait to have my first coffee today. The new coffee pot. But again, this is Three River Blades, man. You really gotta get on the website. You gotta check it out. This is a veteran-owned business, and John has been in this game. How long has it been?
Couple of years.
Over 10 years.
Over 10 years, yeah.
So,
voids.
and 4 voids right there. I can't wait.
That's it, man.
And so there's actually, you're going to have a second run on the voids too,
Yeah,
right?
so we are, right now, if you put your order in, put it in now. We're going to make another batch. We're kind of sold out at the minute, but we're going to make more.
Thank you.
That's it, yeah.
Sold out.
We're sold out. So, you know, this is one of those things where, like, you know, we do good work together, and you know, you were out there and you were killing it and promoting the shit out of it. So
I'm a salesman for Three River Blades.
yeah, so it worked out great.
Absolutely.
And, you know, now, and you know, who was it? Tommy got the last.
Tommy Turbo.
Tommy
50
Turbo,
Posse.
50 Posse. You have the last 4 of them.
Yeah. What did you say? He's in the queue, right?
He's the next one after these 4. He's going to be next. So.
Tommy, you're gonna be happy to hear that. Absolutely. And I have Uncle Smiles again. I'm gonna tell him, put that order in. He's debating on the Huntsman or the Last Ditch, and I'll talk it over with you what he really needs it for.
Right.
And I think he wants it for skinny. He's a hunter, a bit of a hunter.
Okay,
you know?
good.
So
Good. That's a good night for that. Yeah.
And I did the Paul the Fox.
Yep.
Fox Body Mustang channel.
Oh yeah, shout out. Yeah, thanks. That was
I
awesome.
mention him, absolutely. Him and Sally, Paul and Sally with Fox Body Mustang on YouTube.
Yeah, tell them you got to buy a Void too. Tell them, yeah.
Oh, please.
I'll ship to Canada.
You love that. Ship Fox, Three River Blades. Ships everywhere. Right?
Yeah, ship everywhere, all over the world. Yeah, that's it.
Good like that. And I think that's it. What do you got coming down the pipeline? Anything new coming up?
No, we just
got that new paracord.
Oh yeah. So what we're gonna do is, and this is the plan, is we got a new small knife. I don't know if it's gonna be neck carry. It's just a smaller knife, and we're gonna try to make that happen. It's gonna be paracord wrapped, so it's gonna be a little bit different. So if that's your thing, and then we're gonna do that with the voids. So we'll send everything out together, and we'll have voids, and we'll have this other knife. We haven't really named it yet, haven't figured it out, but it's going to be a pretty cool knife. It's going to be like a Japanese influenced kind of small, you know, cutting knife, that kind of thing.
I'll put my order in.
Yeah, so it's going to be nice.
My order's in right now.
So
definitely.
Nice.
John, thank you so much, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm absolutely. This is my hands down.
Yeah, put them all on in one. There you go. Put them on.
Right now.
All in one shot.
We're gonna take off the Bitcoin hat, Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. Don Bricklayer, represent. All right, here we go. 1. Zombie green, matching the Reba. All right. Oh, this is great.
Now, if you walk around New York City like this, you may get arrested. I'm just saying I don't recommend it, but for instructional purposes only, you're allowed to walk around with 4 voids.
Well, listen, I got a lot of Amazon boxes.
I know, that's true.
I got the Walmart boxes too.
Walmart and Amazon boxes.
Get on those,
very
right?
deadly, very deadly.
Let me go for the zombie green drawer.
There you go.
Look at that. This, I'm telling you, this is hands down. You really got to get on the website, because for myself, just because I don't wear belts and I do a neck carry, but it is the most convenient.
It's convenient, yeah.
And best way to carry and draw it, to be honest, you know. So, man, I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough.
Thank you.
I'm gonna walk out just like this.
Just like that's it.
You know, Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. 50 Posse represent, and I'm gonna say it right now over there. We have a little addition to the Three River Blades shop, or the office over here. We got a bench over there from Voice Gym, BXNY.
Yeah, appreciate that. Thank you.
And you redid it up real nice, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah. So we've been training, trying to get back pre-COVID, you know.
Doing great. Thanks again, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Jimmy Voice, sit down, talking truth. Give me the like, give me the dislike. Please be subscribed if you're watching my videos, all right?
Go to threeriverblades.com.